What say, Gypsy Rose? What say? Yes, Gypsy Rose doesn't talk very often, do you, Gypsy Rose? Shall we walk the cat? We can walk Sahara too. Sahara's a little harder to stay ahead of though, with the camera. Okay, we're going to walk both Sahara and Gypsy Rose. Here we go, guys. Walking the cats. Oh, Kalahari too. Okay, let's go. Somebody asked me how I make them do this. I don't know. They just do. Here we go. Walk Sahara. Walking the cat. Walk this way. Sahara, you look so pretty. Sahara likes to talk while she's walking. Come on. Yeah? Come, Sahara. So you can keep in front of her. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, Gypsy Rose is back. Here we go, Gypsy Rose. Both Gypsy Rose and Sahara. Yeah, the sun's finally out. Isn't that nice, huh? You guys are good in the sun. Here comes Nomad. Nomad's not into walking. Going for walks. Or is he? Let's see. Come here, Nomad. He has his own program. Simicon, do you want to walk? Let's go for a walk, Simicon. See if Simicon will walk with us. Come here, Simicon. Kalahari, okay. Kalahari is a little less predictable. Aren't you, Kalahari? Okay. Look at him now. Look at these bloomers. Kalahari, come back here. I'm going to show you off. I mean, this is the quintessential shaggy beast we got here. Yes, it is the quintessential shaggy beast. Yes. Got the two silver boys together, aren't they beautiful? But look at this coat, Kitty. He's definitely a Yeti cat. Yo, don't hiss now. Be a good boy.